Do you want to achieve a dewy glowing complexion like your favorite idols? Can't afford or don't want to spend a lot of money on skincare products? What if I told you that the product that can transform your skin for the better is already at your disposal? Hello everyone and welcome back to Beauty Talks with Rachel. On this show we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy radiant complexion. In this video, we'll be focusing on the latest skincare trend, slugging. If you've never heard of it, don't let the name scare you. I'll be breaking down every aspect of slugging, explaining what it is, its benefit, and how to apply it. So if you like content like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to know how to get a healthy complexion like your favorite stars, keep watching. Originating in South Korea, slugging became a popular skincare trend after it blew up on TikTok, and after many influencers claimed that slugging helped them achieve a dewy glass-like complexion. It's no surprise that everybody wanted to hop on this trend. So, what is slugging? Slugging is the process of applying a thick layer of petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, to clean skin and keeping it on overnight or for an extended period of time. Primarily, slugging is used to retain skin moisture and improve its barrier function. However, many dermatologists have come out and explained that there are many other benefits to slugging. Let's discover them. 1. Moisturized skin. I have to start with moisturization for an obvious reason. The product used in slugging is characterized by being occlusive, meaning that it traps in moisture and prevents water loss. This allows the skin to stay hydrated while also promoting a plumper looking complexion. 2. Younger looking skin. As previously mentioned, slugging retains moisture, preventing the skin from drying out and protecting it from the appearance of premature signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines, and sagginess. This makes the skin appear young, dewy, and shiny. Repaired skin barrier. Properly moisturizing the skin can help keep its barrier protected from damage. This helps in eliminating dry, flaky, and irritated skin, while also preventing the appearance of acne or acne breakouts. 4. Better product penetration. Slugging can also help products like serums and creams to penetrate more deeply into your skin. This can help speed up the treatment process and give you quick and visible results. How to properly slug your face. In order to see the best and quickest results when starting to slug, you should follow these 3 steps first. Cleanse, treat, hydrate. Before applying any type of petroleum jelly on your face, you should make sure that your skin is free from all impurities. If you are looking for a quick and effective cleanser, try the Luxury Avocado Soap. Follow that up with a Luxury Avocado Serum, and then finally the Luxury Avocado Face Cream. This range contains natural avocado oil, so it will aid you in achieving a healthy glowing complexion. Now on to slugging. Before going to sleep and after properly cleansing your face, apply a layer of the jelly on the entire face. You can also use it on other dry areas of your body, like the heels of your feet or your elbows. If you don't want to dirty your pillowcase, I suggest putting a dry towel before laying your head. Petroleum jelly is easily accessible to everyone. However, I prepared a list of some of my favorite petroleum jelly products. Pink Ladies. I like choosing one of these petroleum jellies when I'm looking for something with flavor. It has 4 scents: vanilla, strawberry, aloe vera, and lemon fruit. It keeps the skin well hydrated and subtly scented, which is something I always appreciate. Heart of Vaseline. This family contains several jars of jelly of various sizes, making it portable wherever you go. I always have a jar of Vaseline with me wherever I am, whether it's in the office, at home, or in my purse. Eco Family. Formulated with vitamin E, this brand of petroleum jelly nourishes and retains the moisture of your skin all the way to its deepest layers. That's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning about slugging and its benefits. If you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye!